So what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 10th, 2023. Here to talk about Tesla and give you all the real reason as to why price ended the day down 5.5% yesterday. Now, many people may try to come out and create content and give you the quote unquote real reason as to why price went down to Tesla. But if you can see off our price chart, we've already expected that Tesla was weak in the first place. So given what people come out with their content, or saying that a new analyst on Wall Street is saying that Tesla's stock target needs to be a little bit lower, maybe around $140 per share as a target. Yeah, I get all that, but that's not the reason why price moves. Price moves for a plethora of reasons. For every trader, for every business that trades in the stock market, for any stock, the reason as to why they sell and buy is unknowable. Maybe they need the money for another venture or a vacation, so they got to cash out some of their positions. Maybe they run across hard times and they need some extra cash to get by, so they got to sell some of their stock. Nobody really knows the reason. Now, leave it to the media and leave it to people on social media. They will tell you that this is the reason why. Oh, the Cybertruck is having issues and it's going to cost more to manufacture. That's not the reason. For somebody, it could be. That could be a reason. Or it could be, well, the earnings over the last quarter wasn't what many analysts expected. That could be a reason. But there's not just one reason as to why price goes up and price goes down. So why focus on one title? Why focus on one headline? Because there's not just one headline that moves these prices. We all have an ability to impact price, albeit there are other players in the market that has a bigger impact on how price moves than just one regular retail trader. But needless to say, when you look at the price chart, it gives you everyone's positions. It lets you know who's actually dominating this particular market. And when you see it, you can tell that overall, the market in Tesla is a little bit bearish, which is why we've anticipated that the market in Tesla was going to go down in the first place. We did the video on October the 20th. So for the market in Tesla to be down on yesterday's trading 5.5%, I'm not surprised. We was already expecting price to go down anyway. And even after we did our video on October the 20th, the market has gone down in Tesla. Now, I'm not necessarily sure what we talked about our targets. You'll have to go back and see the video. But again, we got another indicator of weakness triggered on yesterday's trading in Tesla. The market is speaking. I don't have to go see another person's video or content and say, well, they're saying that the market is weak. Well, the market has already spoken. High volume came into the market yesterday. We got our indicator weakness triggered. What else do you expect? Right? So pretty much for us on this side, we need to determine how low can the market go then. We've already have an ultimate area TP around 185. We already saw a low come into the market since we did our price prediction right here on October the 31st. Here's Tesla on the weekly time frame. Are we bullish or are we bearish? Depending on how today's price action in Tesla ends, depending on how the daily price bar prints, if the market prints and closes on the low of this weekly bar, we're still weak. Here it is on the 2 weeks chart. Don't forget what happened these 2 weeks. See, many human beings have a very short memory. And the market in Tesla over this prior 2 weeks have already told us, hey, I know you guys may think that the market is bullish, but this 2 weekly price bar here from October the 9th, don't forget about it. Don't forget about it. It's telling you that right now. Here it is on the 3 weekly chart. Look at that 3 weekly bar that the arrows point up to. It's telling you right now. This 3 weekly price bar and then this one. They're right around the same area to where we need to see buyers hold price in Tesla. And then look at this. We have 9 hours left on this current 3 weekly price bar. And it looked like it's a great battle. Like, let me zoom in and show you. We saw the market about even on the high and the low of the bar. And then the market opened and closed currently at the same location. So it tells you that the market is in there battling out, like the buyers and the sellers are going at it. Which one will win? We'll see at the end of today's trading day. Here it is on the 5. 9 hours and 3 minutes left on the 5 weekly chart. Does that look bullish to you? So I'm not changing my price prediction. I just wanted to come in and show you how you can already be ahead of the competition, because many people react to information once it's released, when in fact, in order for you to maintain profit and get profit from the market, you got to be ahead of your competition. You have to see already what's happening off of the price chart before they do. And that is why predicting and forecasting price action is very important. And that is why we strictly focus on the price chart, nothing more, nothing less. That's why I don't give you all articles. That's why I don't talk about other things that people talk about in relation to price action and price movement, because it has no bearing as to the reason why it's moving that way. Supply and demand is what moves price. Not that the Cybertruck is having issues. That's not the one sole reason as to why price is going up or down. So why waste your time as to, okay, what is this catalyst that is making Tesla go down? I could care less as to what the catalyst is. I could just visually see that it's going down and I act on that. So I'm finished. Everyone go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know your opinion about Tesla. Where do you think the price is headed? And we'll see. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.